Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Pocoyo Giving Loula a bath. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start drawing. First, I'll draw Pocoyo, starting with his eyes. Next, I draw his nose and his smiling mouth. Now, let's draw his hat right on top of his head, just like this. I'll draw his body, and now his hands. What's Pocoyo holding? Look closely. It's a brush. Let's draw his two legs. Right here, I'm going to draw a big bath. And in the bath, let's draw Loula. I'll start with Loula's face and his ears. Oh, let's not forget a little toy duck floating in the bath. Now, I'll draw Loula's cute eyes and his nose. Finally, let's add some fun soap bubbles all around. Now it's time to trace the drawing. I'm going to use this black marker to make the picture nice and clear. Let's start coloring together. First, I'll color Pocoyo's hat sky blue. Then, I'll color his suit sky blue too. He looks so cute. Now, I'll use red. For Pocoyo's skin, I'll use cream color. Now it's time to color Loula. I'm using orange for his body. And brown for his two ears. The little duck will be yellow with a bit of orange. Now, let's color the bath using green. I'll add some dark blue here. And a little pink to make it extra colorful. Great job, everyone! Wow! Our drawing looks amazing. Pocoyo and Loula are having so much fun. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more fun drawing and coloring. See you in the next video. Goodbye.